It's Pijo in Pattaya. It's 9 p.m. Monday, 6th of December. Look how quiet the beach is. It's a bit cool though. It says 28 degrees, but it feels like about 22, especially on the motorbike. Pretty quiet in Pattaya. Of course, we're allowed alcohol in restaurants now, which is good. Picks things up in Soy Bukaw. I thought we'd take a look while we're here at Walking Street, see if the vision's any good at night. All the massage shops are open. Let's see if there's anything open down here. Got the new Walking Street sign there with TV. Did put some new lights up. The old beer garden just there, but they're not open yet. Walking Street, look at this. Oh, there is people walking. But look, everything's pretty much closed. I hope they repave this road before everyone gets busy down here. Look at the clubs, Skyfall, I saw that for sale. It's about 6 million baht and 200,000 baht a month rent. Oh, the seafood restaurants are open. They've got a good, nice water view on there. You catch the fish out of the tanks there. Get fresh fish. Thank you, Carp. The candy shop's not open. Thinking everyone's going to become a restaurant down here in the next few weeks, so they can. Well, people are putting the lights on. There's nothing open, but it's Lucifer. Bit of lighting. Probably dying to open up. Look at this place. 9 p.m. 2 years ago, it's packed down here. Now it's like a demolition site. The old boxing ring bar there. I'm pretty sure the diner down here next to Insomnia is open. They're a restaurant, good water views as well. New York diner, see, can have a meal in there. Cool. There's the fire down here too. I wonder if they've demolished the building. Let's have a look. You see people, look, they got jackets on. Well, that wasn't the fire. That's doing some construction in there. Seafood. Oh, that was where the fire was, where all the tin sheets boarded up get demolished. Will they rebuild it? It's a mess in there. Don't know if you can see that. And look at this, nothing here. What, you wouldn't want to walk along here? Oh, there's another little restaurant there. Cool. We've just about finished all the drainage in this street, so let's hope it fixed the flooding, and we'll go down onto the beach just here, my favourite little spot. I thought the coffee shops would be open here. Let's see if we can see the lights. There's the pier. See that boat out there on the water, those lights? That's a restaurant out there. And that's the pier where you get the boat to Koh Larn Island. Even the Pattaya sign are not lighting up. They've got the floodlights, but that normally changes colour. Look at this place, see? Couple of restaurants there. But I thought I'd give you a quick look and show you what's happening. It is getting better. Walking Street is a mess still, but things will change. Hope everyone's well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Suru from Pijo. Over and out.